Have you ever been trying to add a friend to your Neon account and gotten an error message saying that you've reached your account limit? If so, you're not alone. In this video, I'm going to explain what the Neon account limit is and how to get around it. Neon is a social media platform that allows you to connect with friends and family, share photos and videos, and stay up to date on the latest news and trends. It's a great way to stay in touch with people and have fun. However, there is one downside to Neon, the account limit. Neon only allows you to have a maximum of 5,000 friends. This can be a problem if you're a popular person or if you run a business or organization. What is the Neon account limit? The Neon account limit is a restriction that prevents you from adding more than 5,000 friends to your account. This limit is in place to prevent spam and abuse of the platform. How to get around the Neon account limit? There are a few ways to get around the Neon account limit. Delete some friends. If you have more than 5,000 friends, you can delete some of them to make room for new friends. Create a new account. You can create a new Neon account and use it to connect with your friends. Use a third-party app. There are a number of third-party apps that allow you to connect with your friends on Neon without being limited by the account limit. Additional tips. Be selective about who you add as a friend. Only add people to your account who you know and trust. Don't spam your friends. Avoid sending unsolicited messages or posts to your friends. Report spam. If you see someone spamming your friends, report it to Neon. The Neon account limit is a frustrating restriction, but there are ways to get around it. Thanks for watching.